Hi everyone. I'll be making slow cooker sriracha corn on the cob for supper tonight. What all goes into the slow cooker sriracha corn on the cob? 1/2 cup softened butter, that's 1 stick, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon sriracha, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, and additional smoked paprika for garnish if desired, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 8 small ears of corn, husked, so I just bought these already husked, and 1/4 cup water. So let's begin. So take a bowl and mix the first 5 ingredients, the 1/2 cup softened butter, and hopefully I got it soft enough. I did put it in the microwave because I forgot to lay it out. The 2 tablespoons of honey, and I sprayed the measuring cup so it'll come out without sticking. The 1 tablespoon of sriracha. And if you want it really spicy, you could probably add more, but I'm just following the recipe. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and mix that thoroughly. I'll get that all mixed up and I'll be right back. So take a 12 by 12 piece of foil. I have the Reynolds Wrap foil sheets, and they are 14 by 10.25 inches. I think they will work. Then take one of your ears of corn and take a tablespoon of the butter and put it on the corn and spread that all over the corn. I think my next ones I'm going to spray each foil because it's sticking to the foil. Then you want to wrap this up, seal it really, really tight. And I am going to go ahead and spray it because you want it to soak into the corn. You don't want it to be all lost on the foil. So right on this one, I'm going to just spray around it, and the other ones I'm going to spray before I put the corn down. I'm going to give it a twist and a fold. I'll do one more and then I'll finish them up. Piece of foil and spray. Take a corn, put a tablespoon on, and spread that all over the corn. Still wanting to stick on it a little bit, but not near as bad as what it was before. And when it steams, this will probably melt and then cook into the corn. And then seal it up really good. I'm going to twist and fold, and twist and fold, and hopefully that will keep it sealed up pretty good. I'll finish that up and I'll be right back. So all 8 are wrapped up, and put them in your slow cooker. Since they're wrapped up and everything, I'm not doing a slow cooker liner. And put these in. And what these are going to do is they're going to steam. I'm not sure exactly how to get them all to fit in there. All right, so I got all 8 in there. Then you want to take your 1/4 cup water and pour that in there. Put your lid on, turn it to low, and let it steam 3 to 4 hours until the corn is tender. And being as I've got those stacked, what I think I'm going to do is halfway through I'm going to check and see if there's still enough water in there, and then I'll probably rotate the corn. Whether I need to do that or not, I don't know, but that's what I think I will do. So we'll see you between 3 and 4 hours. So here is the slow cooker sriracha corn. Rounding out the meal is steakhouse recipe baked beans and sloppy joe with pepper jack cheese. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What am I?
You are doing the slow cooker Sriracha corn.
Oh, okay. So it's spicy in
Probably
theory?
not too much. It's a spicy ingredient, but
Doesn't smell all that hot. Unless it sneaks up on me somewhere. There's not a lot of kick to it, but it sure tastes good.
it also has honey in it.
Oh, okay. That's really good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.